I'm going to be bringing another makeup series to our channel, and I'm going to be giving the Pinterest series a little bit of a break, but I want to do the Project Pan series. So basically the Project Pan is where you take a palette each week, and since I only do my makeup 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I decided what better way to not do this than make YouTube tutorials. And so each week I would choose a palette from my collection, and Monday, Wednesday, and Friday I'll have a makeup tutorial up on YouTube for you guys, which I'm really excited about. So today is actually Friday, but I decided to start it on a Friday because why not? And the next Friday will be a new palette for the start of a new week. So for this week's Project Pan, oh, and before I get into that, Project Pan is basically where you take a palette or anything, it could be anything from your makeup collection, and you try to either make pan on it to like you use it up to where you see the pan of the eyeshadow. For instance, let me show you guys an example. This is called hitting pan, or like it's all gone. And this is a full shadow. So I either want to try to indent it or use up to where you can see a little bit of the pan. I don't expect it to be used up all the way, but at least to where you can see a little dot of the silver pan. But I thought it would be cool to do it as YouTube tutorials because not only will you guys see a lot more makeup tutorials, but it'll be fun to see all the different palettes in my collection. So this week's eyeshadow palette was actually chosen for Micah because he loves supporting me. He loves being involved in these. And so I asked him to choose me a palette, and he chose me this one, which is Ditto's Venus palette, and it was a limited edition palette. My sister-in-law actually gifted it to me. She wasn't using it or anything, so she sent it my way. And look how beautiful the shadows look. And I also did something a little bit different in this makeup tutorial too. So I went to a generator online where it would give me different numbers. So I just looked up random 3-number generator, and it looked like this. I don't know if you guys could see that. I'm trying to show you guys. And so it picked the numbers 3, 7, and 12. So the way that I counted the eyeshadow palette was I went 1, 2, this was 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, this was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this was 12. And then I also used this as the highlight because it's just a gorgeous, like, let me swatch it for you guys. It's more like a shimmery highlight. Where is it at? Oh, it's over here. You can't really see it, but it's like a glittery. Let me try to get a better swatch for you guys. Right there you go. See how it's like a glittery? Yeah. But anyways, I am so excited to do this series. I think it's going to be very fun. So yeah, this week I'll be having 3 tutorials using this eyeshadow palette, using the number generator and picking out 3 colors each time. And I actually think it made a really cute look. And I also added like eyeliner and stuff just to make it pop. So I hope you guys will enjoy these tutorials and this little series. I don't know how long I'll go for. I'll just go until I feel like going back to Pinterest looks, or, you know, maybe we'll find another series that you guys would be into. If you guys know any makeup series you guys would like me to do, let me know in the comments. But anyways, without further ado, let's hurry up and get started with this tutorial because it is going to be a amazing video. And yeah, so if you want the details to this stuff, I will start putting it in the description, but I would suggest going to my Instagram because sometimes I forget to put it in my description. So please make sure you go to my makeup Instagram, which is at makeupbyshawna093, and you won't miss any details or any information on any products I use in any of my tutorials. Also, I will be taking a break from doing tutorials on TikTok, but I will be showing clips from each tutorial on YouTube on TikTok. So that way I could focus on more tutorials here on YouTube. So yeah, peace for now, guys, and let's get started with this tutorial, shall we? Hey guys, so the first thing that I always do is make sure my hands are sanitized, and then I go in with a moisturizing lotion, And then I'm going to be doing my brows, and I love this brow kit by Rema. It's my go-to. I know I go to a lot of these products in my videos. I am going to start going through my collection and trying different things for you guys each tutorial, but it's just very hard because I just love the things I grab. Then I'm going in with my Gucci Beauty concealer in Fair Medium, and I'm putting this as primer on the lid. I love this idea. My friend Hannah told me about this idea, and I think it works perfectly. So then I took a neutral color, or like a skin toned, or like just a lighter color than all the other shadows, to just set the concealer. I always do this. Then I used the generator picker, which this was number 3. And this is a beautiful gold shimmery shade, so it chose the colors for me. Also, I'm not giving you guys the middle finger. It's just this shadow worked a lot better being applied to the finger and onto the eyelid than it did with a brush. This was number 7 for the eyeshadow that was chosen through the number generator I showed you guys at the beginning. And I thought this looked good together. Like, I usually don't like shimmery stuff in the inner crease or the outer crease, but this was a really good outer crease, inner crease blendable shade. This was number 12's shade, and this is like a dark plumish purple. And this looked really good in the crease, inner crease and outer V. Like, I loved it. These 3 shades actually went so good together, and I love doing the generator because it picks shades that I typically wouldn't go for myself. I didn't think these 3 would look good together, and they did. So here I am just blending it out, and then I'm going in with my concealer and just cutting the edge and also concealing my under eyes. Everyone conceals their under eyes different. This is just how I do it. It may be a lot of product to you, but this just helps a lot to clean up any fallouts and stuff like that. Then I'm going in with number 7 again on the lower lash line because this was like a beautiful rose gold color, and I just wanted something kind of natural on the bottom. For liner, I was really incisive, I guess you would say. I didn't know if I wanted eyeliner or not, and I was like, you know what, I kind of want eyeliner. So I did a small wing, and I'm using Wet n Wild's Breakup Black Eyeliner. This is one of my favorite eyeliners, and it's literally $5.47 at Walmart. So go get you some if you like liquid eyeliners and you like these types of liquid eyeliners. So I did my best I could to get a nice wing, and I was just connecting it. And then I went in with the Maybelline Surreal Falsies mascara. So I'm going to be changing out my mascara, I promise. I know I've been using this for more than 3 months, but I will be changing it out in the next tutorial, so this is the last time y'all will see it. And I'm using LA Colors Vava Vroom lashes. They are just so amazing. They make my eyes look good, and I'm just using Kiss Lash Glue because that is the lash glue that I go for when I go to the store to buy lash glue. And sorry about my hair, it's messy, I know, but this is me getting ready for the day. For my lower lash line liner, I'm just taking Wet n Wild's Color Recon Black Eye Pencil. This is literally only $1, and it's so long. It's like the hugest eyeliner pencil I've ever seen, and it's only $1 at Walmart. Like, you gotta go get it. And then I'm applying that mascara on my lower lashes. Now for this one, I really looked at the shade, and it's really good for a highlight. It's not picking that much up on camera, but I used it on my face too, and it looks amazing. For foundation, I'm going in Wet n Wild's foundation. This is the Photo Focus and Dewy. This isn't my favorite foundation. It is just the foundation I will go for when we don't have the extra couple dollars to get my Maybelline Fit Me one. But I always have to get dewy because I have a matte and it looks horrible on me. So here I am just using a wet beauty sponge and just blending that out as much as I can. For blush and bronzer, I'm going in with this e.l.f. Cosmetics Blush and Bronzer Duo in Pink Beige. This is another thing that I just can't stop using. My sister-in-law gave it to me and I'm obsessed with it. I think it really just complements my skin color. I feel like it goes with my skin tone. And it's just the bronzer and blush that I've been grabbing for the most. So I'm trying out this new bronzer like look thing that I found on TikTok. I guess you would call it a hack or something. But you push up your nose and you highlight like right behind the tip of the nose, and you highlight the lines, and it's supposed to make your nose look smaller. I don't know, did it work? I tried it. I wanted to try it in this video. I should make a separate video of it. If you guys would be interested in that, let me know in the comments. Next, I'm going in with the blush, and here I am just applying that blush all over, also applying it where, you know, you would turn red if you're blushing. So I did go in with that highlight, and I think it looked good as a highlight. You guys can see it popping on camera, can't you? Like, I think it looks really good as a highlight on the face. Then for lip liner, I went in with So Gorgeous by Ace Beauty, and I decided to put this all over my lips. And for the top coating of that lip liner, I used NYX Cosmetics Butter Lip Gloss in Cranberry Pie. I'm trying to remember it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. I am so excited to be doing Project Pan on YouTube. And I didn't come up with Project Pan, by the way. Shout out to the one that did come up with it, because I love doing this and it's so fun and exciting. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, guys. Bye.
And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.